Looking for a reliable way to clean and polish your LCD or plasma screens without leaving scratches or lint? The Endust for Electronics XL microfiber towels deliver exactly that. These extra large 15 by 15 towels are designed to gently lift dust and smudges, restoring clarity and shine to your valuable electronics effortlessly. What sets these microfiber towels apart is their soft, low-linting fabric that won't damage delicate surfaces. Whether you're wiping down a TV screen, computer monitor, or tablet, these towels ensure a streak-free finish every time. Plus, their generous size means fewer passes and quicker cleaning sessions. One user shared how these towels are perfect for polishing shiny chrome surfaces. They carefully dust lamps without scratching, preserving the finish beautifully. While the towels can snag dry skin, wearing gloves solves this minor issue, making them safe and comfortable to use for extended cleaning tasks. The versatility doesn't stop there. These microfiber cloths could also work well on fine crystal or other fragile items, offering a gentle touch that traditional cloths can't match. Their durability and softness make them a smart addition to any cleaning routine focused on delicate materials. If you're tired of cleaning tools that leave lint behind or risk damaging your screens and shiny surfaces, these Endust microfiber towels are worth a look. They combine size, softness, and low-linting technology to give you what you want: a clean, polished surface without the hassle. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Adding this 4-pack of extra-large microfiber towels to your toolkit means you get more coverage and less effort. Their quality and thoughtful design help protect your electronics and prized possessions while making cleaning faster and more effective. Try the Endust for Electronics XL microfiber towels when you're ready to see the difference soft, low-linting cloths can make. Whether it's your TV screen, chrome fixtures, or delicate glassware, these towels deliver a smooth, scratch-free shine every time.